In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dropshipping store with Woocommerce. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along without getting overwhelmed. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your WordPress website with an admin account so you can install plugins. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for plugins. Click it to open the plugins page. This is where you can add new tools to your site. At the top, you'll see an option to add new. Click that and you'll land on the plugin marketplace where you can search for what you need. In the search bar, type Woocommerce. Woocommerce is the core engine that turns your WordPress site into a fully functioning store. When you find it, check that it's the official plugin by its well-known publisher and has strong ratings. Click Install, and once the button changes, click Activate. After activation, Woocommerce is now part of your site. If you see any quick prompts or welcome screens, you can skim them for context, but don't worry about deep configuration right now. We're staying focused on getting the essential tools installed. Next, head back to the plugins area. Again, click Add New to open the marketplace. In the search bar, type Spocket. Spocket is a popular dropshipping plugin that helps you find products from reliable suppliers, often with faster shipping to key regions. When you see Spocket in the results, click Install and then Activate. Just like before, confirm it shows as active in your plugin list. If you're ever unsure, the plugins page will display an active label so you can double-check at a glance. With Woocommerce and Spocket installed and active, feel free to explore Spocket inside your dashboard. Take a moment to browse product categories, look at supplier locations and preview shipping estimates. Read product descriptions carefully so you understand what the supplier provides, what the product photos look like, and any available variants. This exploration helps you get a feel for which items fit your brand and your customers' expectations. A couple of quick tips as you explore. Keep an eye on supplier ratings and processing times, and note any branded invoicing or sample options that might help you evaluate product quality. Also, remember that your site's speed and reliability matter, so avoid installing unnecessary plugins and keep everything up to date. That's it. Your WordPress site now has Woocommerce for your store foundation and Spocket to discover dropshipping products. Take your time getting familiar with both, and you'll be ready to build out a compelling catalog.